Welcome to this video, and in this video I will talk about machine learning and, to be more specific, motivation for machine learning. But I have a question here. Do I really need to motivate machine learning? First, I want you to motivate machine learning. Pause the video and think why it's important to learn about machine learning. Do you think that machine learning is interested to learn, and why? I hope you thought about that question and reflect on it. For me, it's really interesting time to do machine learning because we are really seeing a lot of impact from intelligent application with using machine learning. In fact, if you look at industry successful companies, a company that takes a market and completely change it, they often differentiate by intelligence application that uses machine learning at its core, like Google when it's disrupting the advertising market by targeting advertising with machine learning algorithm, what people would click on, or Amazon that really disrupted the retail market by bringing in product recommendation system into their websites, and Netflix and movie companies and how they help me, for example, finding a movie that I like. And you see that in many places, in many industries, you see Facebook connecting me to people who I might want to be friend with, or companies like Uber optimizing how to connect drivers with people in real time. So in all of these areas, machine learning is one of the core technology that the technology that make this company product really special. Now I want to talk about what we have learned so far about AI. What we learned so far about AI is mainly reasoning and retrieval part. So we tell the computer rules and facts, logic. The computer will combine these rules and facts to infer even further knowledge. And we can also have strict and hard-coded algorithm for solving algorithm, like search algorithm, for finding solutions. We can simulate possible solution and find the best possible one, and to get the best outcomes. Or we can even incorporate many of our wishes, what we want to reach, and that is constraint satisfaction. But all of these based on hard-coded algorithm. But we have a problem here. The problem is the computer are really stupid and they have only algorithms. And we want to make the computers better than that. And that is machine learning. We want the computer to learn and adapt to unknown area, to learn more and more from experience and example by knowledge. Now, I would like to motivate machine learning even more by mentioning some more application. For example, how you think banks make decision when approving a loan application. They use machine learning to predict the probability of default of each applicant and approve or refuse these applications based on these probabilities. For example, in health center, it comes to use to predict benign or malignant tumor, and in prediction of detection pneumonia in an X-ray, that we use also deep learning to make that prediction. And next application, as I mentioned earlier in this video, how Netflix recommend movies to its user. They use machine learning to produce suggestions that you may enjoy or like. There are many applications of machine learning that we see in every day in our daily life, such as chatbot, login to our phones, or even computer games, face recognition, and many applications in various sectors. For example, in my sector, each of these algorithms use different machine learning algorithm. So the goal in machine learning is given whatever as an input, and we have this smart machine that learn to tell us, okay, I see here a locomotive. So finally, I want to discuss more the difference between machine learning and reasoning. Is one part of the other? Is one more powerful than other? What are the relation machine learning and reasoning to these terms, symbolic and symbolic? Can they work together? Think about these questions and reflect them. Just pause the video and think about these questions and maybe write down your answers and your thoughts. I hope you pause the video and now you have your own thought about these questions. My opinion regarding to that, in history, we can find reasoning is one of the first approach towards machine learning. Now maybe machine learning researcher will say, okay, reasoning is part of machine learning and it's one of the tools to solve machine learning. But if maybe I am a researcher in reasoning, I will say, okay, machine learning is a tool to make our reasoning system to learn. But this proves that they both work together and they relate to this symbolic and non-symbolic terms. For example, in symbolic, for example, that we present knowledge and we have clear symbol variable for every knowledge. This is the symbolic meaning. But in sub-symbolic, we must just have data and we don't have any structure, we don't have any symbol yet. So coming from data to structure, that is sub-symbolic, and having structure and inferring knowledge, that is symbolic. So machine learning can be sub-symbolic, and then we start to infer knowledge and it will be symbolic. So really, there is no one-to-one relation. This is just a short motivation to machine learning, and I hope now you are motivated enough to learn more about machine learning. So thank you.